Hello everybody, I'm Ulrich with your Fix It Auto, and today I'm going to be showing you how I'm going to be replacing my headlights on my 1998 Toyota Celica. Now this car has one burnt headlight and they're also running the old halogens, so it's about time that we give this car an upgrade and upgrade these headlights to LEDs. And I'm going to show you just how I'm going to do that. And to do that I'm going to dim the lights and show you what it's like to have the low beams on, as well as the high beams. And as you guys can see, it has a yellowish tint to them. By upgrading to LEDs, we'll be able to get a white tint to them. And here you could also see the beam pattern. And I'm going to be using this LED kit that I purchased from Amazon with the brand Farin. Not exactly too sure on how you pronounce that, but I'll also be giving you guys live updates, and if these burn out for any reason, I'll be sure to mention that down in the comment section down below. So let's go ahead and install these. So I'm just going to pop the hood. And inside of this box, we are going to find, it comes with some stick pads, it comes with some zip ties, so that way we could tie it off to the side. A headlight kit, teaching you the proper way to install it. And then of course, our headlights. Now this headlight is a direct replacement. Now the goal is to insert it in a way so that way the LEDs point side to side, just like this. And I'll show you how to do it. And luckily on this car, all the light bulbs, the headlight bulbs are easy to get to. You'll find one right there. You'll find the high beams over here. And it's going to be the same on the other side. So you simply have to just turn it counterclockwise and pull it out, just like this. Once this is out, then you just simply have to push right here and slide the headlight out, just like that. And look how bad this is. This is the reason why this one was not working. This is all milky and there's no way that light can emit from here, so it's a great thing we're replacing this. Now this does matter on how you install it. This does have an indicator for positive and negative, so if by chance you plug it in and it doesn't work, chances are that you have to pull it out and put it in the other way. If I were putting in a halogen light just like this one, then what you're going to want to do, if you touch this with your fingers, then the oils will go onto this and then they'll eventually burn out within maybe even a month. So then you're going to be replacing these soon anyways. So be sure to wear gloves if you're going to be replacing these. But since these are LEDs, we're not going to have to worry about that. On our harness, then it specifies a positive and a negative. So we're just going to want to make sure that the positive and the negative align with that. And then it should just snap right in. And these are designed so that way they insert at a slight angle and then they straighten out, just like that. And the way that I decided to route it is to make sure that I used the double-sided stick adhesive in order to get it up and out of the way into a cool area where it won't get too hot. Then I use the zip tie in order to tie the cables just up and out of the way. And then next I'm going to work on the high beam to show you how I'm going to do it over here. And then we're just going to simply repeat the same process on the other side. Here it's going to be a very similar process. So we're just going to go through, counterclockwise turn, and then pull the headlight bulb out of the harness. The same way, just push the button. Just like that. Push in the connector until it clicks. And then we align the tabs and then just turn it clockwise until it's nice and snug. And then find the best way to just zip tie it out of the way, so that way this isn't exposed to too much heat, and then we just repeat the same process onto the other side. And then we dim the lights, turn on the low beams and the high beams, and just see how much of a difference this will make. And wow, I don't know about you guys, but the white lights make this dark car look so much better. And the beam pattern as well. I mean, I know last time the passenger side was not working, but wow, just how much brighter this is with the lows and the highs. I'm very impressed with it. I mean, wow, check out this before and this after, and this before and this after. And that's really all there is to it, guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you liked the video, please give it a like, subscribe, and share. And let me know what you guys think down in the comment section down below. Thank you guys so much for watching.